You be happy? Be sad? Oh, happy. Sad. Mad. Remember mad? You do mad. You do happy? Do you want to talk about what the caterpillar ate for lunch? What do you have? What is that? What else? What the caterpillar eat? Are you gonna hold the camera? Okay. It's a pretty face, isn't it? Who is that? See the phone? You gotta go bye-bye. Press the red button.